Yes, so welcome to a product update video, right? So we are very excited here at Stolo to announce that we have released the multi-layout analysis feature, right? So we were working on it day and night to bring out this specific feature for all of you users, right? So I'm very excited to showcase this feature and also tell you on how it can help you as a trader as well, right? So you can quickly find this feature under the analysis section right below market replay, right? You have your multi-layout analysis. So I shall quickly explain what it does, right? By clicking on it, you enter this screen where you will be able to add a new layout, right? Or if you have already created layouts, you will be able to select your previous layouts, right? So I have created two layouts, that is the BTST layout and a scalping layout for myself, and I've just added it here, right? So you can, if you have created layouts, you would get this, or else you can quickly add a new layout by either clicking on this plus icon here, or on the top right corner you can see add new layout. By just clicking on that, you will get a pop-up like this, right? So this basically says add a multi-layout, add a multi-window layout, right? So you can name it anything. Let's say day trading layout, right? So you can name it however you want, and you can select your layout here. So you have 5 layouts in different styles, right? So here you have the split into half right and left. Here you have split into 4 corners as well, right? So I shall just select the third one for showing you as an example, right? So as soon as you click on it, you get a green tick mark here and an outline of what you have selected, and you can just click on add new layout, right? As soon as you click on add new layout, it brings you to that specific layout, right? So here you can add according any data that you would like, right? So for example, I would add here, so you can choose between option chain, OI data such as PCR chart, cumulative OI, multi-strike OI, anything you would use to trade. You have your options analysis, max pain, options premium, straddle chart. You have your futures data as well, right? Futures OI analysis as well as PEC data. And you can choose a trading view chart as well, right? For here, I shall choose a trading view chart and click on add graph. So here directly you can see your trading view graph would be loaded. On the left side, let's say I would like an option chain data, right? So I would select Bank Nifty here. You can select your instrument and add your Bank Nifty option option chain here, right? And another thing I would use to trade would be OI data. So I just add OI here and I select. So you can select between any instrument, right? You can choose the indices such as Nifty, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, or any of the 191 F&O stocks, right? So here you can just choose Bank Nifty and click on add graph. And as you can see here, the graph would have been added as well, right? So this is the whole idea of a multi-layout concept, where on one screen you get to put any analysis you would like as a trader, which is completely personalized for you, right? So now, as you can see here, I can see the chart, I can see the option chain data, as well as see OI data and trade accordingly, right? I can trade directly from the option chain here as well, right? So according to you, you can put in what specifically you would like and add in specifically for that layout, right? So you can also click on the plus icon right next to here to add it to the menu. On clicking off plus, you will get a small custom feedback telling page added to the menu. Click if you go hover over analysis, you can see here day trading layout has been added to the custom menu, right? So like this, you can create layouts according to your trading style and go to that specific layout directly itself. So that is one thing. You can also click on this delete icon to delete your layout. You can add a new layout. Let's say you can basically have a different name and add a new layout, right? You can choose between your layouts as well. And here you get an option to change layout. So if you have created multiple layouts, you get an option to change your layout, right? So now coming into this layout specifically, if let's say, for example, here, instead of OI, right, on this box here, instead of OI, I want, let's say, for example, max pain. So I just have to click on this pen icon here, which is the edit, and on clicking of that, you would specifically get to choose for that graph, right? So you can go here. I can just click on max pane, and I've chosen Bank Nifty already, and click on add graph, right? On click of add graph, what basically would happen is the chart in that specific layout would change, right? So now let's say, for example, you're looking at data, but you want to see it in a more full screen manner, right? So if you have a full screen app option here on the, you can see this icon here. On click of that, you can see it turning into full screen analysis, right? You can quickly look at anything you want, close it, and you are back to the multi-layout analysis. So this, you can again do it with anything. For example, here max pane, let me see full screen. You can see it at full screen directly, right? So this is the whole idea of the multi-layout analysis section, where you can put in the exact analysis you would use. You wouldn't use hundreds of analysis, rather a few that you look into. You can add it into one screen rather than shifting from multiple screens, right? So that is the whole idea of the multi-analysis. And also, for example, option chain, any data you would like to filter under option chain, you can just click on filter. Same way for max pane, as well as you have your refresh icons here, right? So it would automatically refresh every minute, but in case you want to specifically refresh it, you can refresh it here, right? So let's say you can also change this to Nifty and change everything accordingly as well, right? So yes, this is our complete, multi-analysis, multi-window analysis, and we are very excited to launch this and show it to the users, right? So we would love for all of you to use it, and yes, this is the multi-window analysis for you. Thank you.